Is this working? Yep, mic is working. Amazing. It's decided to play ball. I love it. Donald, what's up? How you doing, Donald? Long time no see. What's up? How you been doing? How's it been going? This did indeed make me sad. Oh well, this made me sad. Literally wicked me out. Next time, I should just give it a little bit more breathing room. It's fine. Hey, Chris. Long time no see. How have you been doing? How's the trading been going? How's the AI been working out for you? I know it's quite a weird question, but yeah, how has the AI been working out for you? Why does it say London low is there? Me, this is London low. I'm calling this London low here. Maybe it's wrong, but anyways. Cool. London low, there's that point. This right here is very, very juicy. This is juicy. This is some juicy stuff. Look at these equal lows. Okay. Got some equal lows over there. Going freaking bob level to bob level again. Well, it started, went back down, so let's see now. Did you hear South Africa is getting removed from... I did not! Are you joking? Hi, Sally. I know. I was thinking... I hopped on and I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, Sally is gonna have so much to say about this. Damn it! What's up? Hey, Serbil. Hey, Alex. I'm good, thanks. How are you? If only there was 2 Australian guys telling you to lower your stop. Okay. I promise next time I'll listen to you guys, okay? Like, I pinky promise. Does that make you happy? Tradify was for... No! You lie. You... Which is this? What? Sorry, I'm actually gonna message my friend now because I don't believe you. What? I'm shooketh. Anyway, sorry. Lucid has a large list too, but not South Africa now. Well, which I don't think South Africa has ever been allowed on Lucid, to be fair. If it was, I would probably try and have them as an affiliate, but I don't think Lucid is allowed. It never has been allowed for South Africa, unfortunately. Hey, Shinmei, what's up? What's up? How you doing? Sorry, I'm like shooketh. Let's see. If that Tradify thing is true, I am in absolute shock. And horror and shock. And a little bit more horror. Seriously, what is like, why are they hating on South Africa? What did we do? I don't understand. Oh well. Moving on. Let's see. All the key levels have kind of been marked out already, so we're just gonna continue. Asia high is still up above. We're having a look here. It's 9:19. We have 11 minutes to go until New York Open. What do we think this is going to be today? So, Solly, do you know that has been stuck in my head the whole day? I was walking around the horses going, watermelon Asia, ha, da 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 da. Yeah, it was driving me freaking crazy. So thank you very much, Mudcrab. That was very unnecessary to be stuck in my head for the whole day. But yes, I agree. It is still juicy. These equal lows are also quite juicy. Do you think maybe it's going to come take them out and then continue to Asia high? I mean, it's a possibility, right? I think it might be a possibility. Let's see, I'm seeing. Okay, okay, so let's see. Think so too. Amazing. Manager Shinmei, is that what you're trading? Awesome. Asia High still 100 points away, so it might do some work before going up that far, which is valid. I do think these equal lows are rather juicy though. We do still have some time, so I'm gonna have to sit on my hands. Let's wait. Let's get some confirmations before we jump on in there. Solly, I will listen to you from now on. That's my bad. That's my bad. I'm gonna have to owe Mudcrab an apology tomorrow as well. I get it. Or I guess later today. Solly, assuming as it's like the freaking middle of the night for you, isn't it? I feel like it really is the middle of the night for you. I don't think I can, Shinmei. I don't think I can. Not with what I have. I can't even see DAX. But I have everything else, so meh. We continue. We continue. Yes, Tuesday has started. There we go. So it's Tuesday for you. 'Tis still Monday for me. I'm still Monday times. So we're gonna continue like it's Monday. What if I post in the Discord in your general chat? Let me see. What the heck? Okay, so that looks like it's a thing. Awesome. Awesome. What's the hate with South Africa? I don't understand what we did. Damn. We're just here trading. How mean. Thanks, Witcher. Time to move to Canada, honestly. Honestly? Honestly. Wait, no, wait. Maybe not Canada. I might actually die of hypothermia. Like, I know I'm complaining about the heat right now. I'm very aware that I'm being a little baby with the heat right now. But I'm sorry, if it had to go to minus 40 degrees Celsius, I think I'll just stop existing. I think every part of me will just give up with life. It'll just be like, you know, nah. Australia has all prop firms. Okay, so what I'm hearing is I need to move to Australia, right? I need to take Mudcrab up on his offer, and I'm just gonna have to go there and just say screw it and just be able to get all the affiliate codes. Like, I don't understand what the hate is. South Africans are really nice. I mean, look at all the South Africans here. We're so nice. Okay. All the hate. Sad. Oh well, moving on. I think 450, then 630. Ooh, I agree. I actually agree. Do you know what's making me a little bit nervous? That we're all agreeing for a change? Like, normally there's very diverse thoughts about what this market's gonna do, but everyone's kind of like, yeah, I think it's gonna retest, take out these equal lows, and then start hopping back up. Which again, it makes me a little bit nervous. We don't normally agree with each other. What's up, Marty, in Chicago? And no, come to Chicago, then we can move somewhere else. What's up, Marty? Where would you want to move from Chicago? What coin am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq future. Sorry, no coin being traded here. Just the future. Just the futures. Sorry, I thought I'd be cool by saying that. But anyways, silver going low still. Might be like 1 minute tap on open. Let's see. I'm gonna keep an eye out. We have 5 minutes to go still to open. So while we're waiting, this is for everybody. What up?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hope everyone's having an amazing time. I was indeed a bit of a silly goose this morning. But it was an A+ setup and I took it. I took partials and went break even on the previous trade. So I guess you could say today I think I'm a little bit in the red, but closer to break even. Let's see. In all honesty, that's quite a few trades for a Monday. So I'm actually quite impressed at the amount of trades I was able to take today. Well, for London. Let's see what New York brings. Maybe New York sucks and I can't get any more trades in it. But that's just being a little bit of a pessimist. I think it's going to be amazing. I think it's going to take out these Asia highs. That's my personal point of interest right now, for it to go potentially, like I said, sweep these equal lows and then shoot back up to those Asia highs. That's at least what I suspect could happen, seeming as we've gone back into the new weekly opening gap over there. Let's see how this goes. Solly, thanks. Hey Frags, how you doing, my man? I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. Yeah. It's okay. We've got this. We've got this. But what I'm hearing is that apparently I just need to move out of South Africa. If only it was that easy. I have my animals and everything down here. It would be very expensive to move them. Just saying. It would be way too expensive. Also, do you see how hot it is? I actually have my hair up for once in my life because it was actually just too damn hot. Just too damn hot. End of story. End of sentence. It was just too damn hot. I can't keep my hair down. Or else I might actually become a little puddle. So I'm very well aware that I'm talking to myself right now. But we're continuing. Anyways, anywho, now that I've had my little rant about the weather and the prop firms and I'm upset now. Sugar honey iced tea. Whatever. How was everyone's weekend slash Monday, I guess, Solly? Yeah? Hello? Oh my gosh, everyone's being so quiet. This is so weird. Are we all okay? Are we all okay today? Okay, 3 minutes to go. Let's see what we get. Oh, Marty, you here? Awesome. Just checking. Damn. You're being like super quiet today. Are we focused? Are we all locked in? I mean, that's not a bad thing. I can also be quiet, but yeah. What's the fun in that? It's way more fun if I'm loud and annoying. It's like my speciality. But here we go. Okay. 2 minutes to go. Let's see what happens. My whole fam is sick. Fevers. Good. Still working on the AI script. Improve win rate from 22 to 30%. Still making it better. Ooh, that's cool. Donald, Donald, what do you think's gonna happen today? I have Netflix calls. 1, 2. Netflix calls? What? What's that? Hey, yo, Dom. How you doing? How was your weekend? Netflix calls. Sorry, I'm still kind of like, what? You see, every day I learn something new. So, Donald, you're looking for shorts. You don't think this might potentially want to take out Asia high and then have a shift to the short side of life? Or what's giving you the shorts vibe? I trade options. I just like your show. Aw, Marty, you're such a sweetie pie. Thank you. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to press that like button, guys. Let's do this. Failure swing at Asia high. Ooh, failure swing. Failure swing. Swing, swing. Swing. Okay, we're going crazy on a Monday. That's fun. Let's do this. Okay, Donald, let's see. I find it very wild that we are seeming to have an agreement for once. Like I said, that really does not happen often. Dom, you believe a long coming. Like I said, Asia. This, I kind of want to give this the middle finger. I can't believe it wicked me out and then went up. Solly, don't even say it. Don't even say it. Don't even say it. I'm saying it to myself. I'm saying that whole I told you so to myself right now. Just took me out and there would have been a freaking winning trade. It's fine. Oh, hello. Here we go. Here's the opening. And it would be one step closer to passing this damn eval. Okay, here's opening. Wow, this is just shooting for Asia high. Wow, okay, I really thought this would want to take out the equal lows before it did this, but okay then. What an the FU candle. Okay. 8:30 opening price is also at those equal lows. Hey, oh, Chris, how you doing? Straight to Asia High. It kind of looks like it. Shorts could be on after that. I agree. If it straight away takes out Asia High, I think we're going to have a look and see. I think a possible reversal will be in the mix. If that is the case, let's see. 2, 1. Here's the 9:30 a.m. range. Okay, let me mark this out. 9:30. So here's the 9:30 range. Let's see what else we get from here. Let's let the volatility calm down. Oh, I don't like how it looks on ES. The reason I'm looking for short, we took December high after a long consolidation, then shot back into the range. So you just think it was a bit of a liquidity grab, Donald, before continuation to, well, maybe not continuation, but then a drop or a retest to the bear side, or back into range, right? Oh shoot, I was, damn. I was looking at this potential entry at the bob level to level. Let's see, I think this is now gonna go level to level. Oh, so close to Asia High. So close. Damn, ES is a lot stronger. Mud Crab, I think he's asleep right now, but I'm sure he's a very happy chappy. There it is. This retest here, I was looking at this candle formation and I was thinking about this. Shoot, maybe I should have done that. Check at that. That would have been a beautiful wick in and up. I just get really, I don't want to say nervous because nervous sounds bad. Cautious with the volatility during opening because this very easily could have started to shoot all the way back down. Okay. I'm now officially a little bit more keen on shorts. That did not go the direction I thought it would. Whoop whoop long. Well done, Dom. That is amazing. Yeah, no, this is not very typical Monday behavior, but oh damn, Dom. Okay, so Dom is now done for the day. Rough life. Anyone else that got in on that and got that is a huge whoop whoop for you. Well done. Huge whoop whoop. Huge shout out to you guys. Nice rejection off of there. It might go back down to the bob level now. Interesting. Let's see if this does. Solly, do you know what's so frustrating? As much as you're probably thinking I told you so, I am beating myself up about it as well. Trust. I am beating myself up about it so much. Sugar honey iced tea. Oh well. It's okay. It's okay. Lesson learned, right? So not a loss, just a lesson. Here we go, 1 minute left, then we got the 5-minute range going as well. Okay, didn't get something there. Let's see if this creates a first presented fair value gap. I'd like to see if we're able to break out of this. It just reacted to VWAP. Did it? Do you have the moving VWAP? Took that long position. Hey, whoop whoop! Well done, Theodora, that's amazing. You took that long. I was looking at this long entry at the bob level to bob level. Would have been so perfect. It's okay. It's okay. I'll leave it alone. 20 seconds to go. Let's see if the first presented is created. Was that like the move for New York? I will be very upset if that was the move. But huge whoop whoop then, by the way, Theodora. That is amazing. Super, super freaking proud. Nope. Okay. No first presented yet. However, we do have... Yeah, we got the 5-minute range now. Here's the 5-minute range. Weep. I promise you, if this now sits. Are we gonna get stuck in NWOG? Please don't get stuck in NWOG. That'll be so annoying. Guess it was just a reaction to the... Which VWAP do you have, Joy of Travel? Like, do you have a moving average, or what's your... Does that make sense? I know there's different VWAPs. Sorry, I just want to quickly see something. Why is this still up? There's some more good stuff happening around here. Maybe this is... Let's wait for some confirmation here. Damn! Okay, here we go. There's the breakout. Okay, but we still have 30 seconds. This could still come back. Let's see what this does now. You think it's going past 800? I want to say yes. I suspect it might. All of it is just a suspicion, obviously. There's 3 emeralds overlapping here. Really strong magnet on price for now and future. Raphael, of course I remember you. What's up? How's Jamaica treating you? 25800 correction. What are you looking at? I thought for a sec this was... Yeah, this is the Nasdaq futures. What's up, Jason? Keep trading, you're going to be a trillionaire one day. Oh, you're such a sweetie pie. I really appreciate that. It does not feel like that sometimes, but I appreciate that so much. Some days you have to hear that, like the days where you're a Fruit Loop and you don't listen to your amazing followers. First presented. Okay. One, two, three. Let's zoom out of this slightly. Let's check the 5 minute. Where's OTT at? Seriously, where's OTT at? Took that out. Headed 729. 781. Okay, well, if we're doing off of the 5 minute, this is quite nice. Okay. Wow, this is just going up, up, and away. Must just be... I don't want to say cautious, but, you know, be a... Solly, like you said, this is quite a magnetic spot here because of all the NWOGs that have just been overlapped as well now. There's also the 930 and so this is quite a magnetic spot. Let's check the 15 minute quickly. Going through everything. Wow, there's a lot of wicks happening around here. A lot of wicks. Okay. They go to next level up. He is! Where did he go? There you are! What's up, OTT? Why are you being so quiet? You're gonna wait until 10 AM. Is there news today? Is there news today, by the way? Just before I do something blonde. Again. I say again. Okay, I'm gonna journal my feelings about the trade. I sound like such a girl when I say that, but you know, it is. It's part of the journal process to journal how you felt and the emotions behind the trade. Check the 1 hour. Sugar honey iced tea. I am Batman. Batman of NQ. Wait, what's happening is at 10? Is there something specific happening at 10? Now you guys made me nervous. Still think this wants to go lower. When in doubt, zoom out. Let's see. Overall trend is still bearish. Well, we did have a little bit of a change of character here. The wicks happening around there. Still salty about these, but it's okay. Let us proceed. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Sorry, I know it's chaotic. I apologize. PMI at 10. Oh, thanks, guys. See, I would have been completely oblivious. Appreciate it. PMI at 10, so we do have a little bit of time. Nice rejection off that level. One. And is it bad that I don't hate this trade? Maybe I should just wait for some confirmation on it, but... No, that's not ideal. Don't love that. This is definitely better. I drew it correctly. Just seeing how many contracts that is. Would have to be 3. Okay, let's see. Next pullback will be good to take long. PMI 10. I refreshed my screen, didn't see it. I was going to say that this is that market resilience, strength, and rebound was coming. By what I... Franks, what's up? What's with the horses jumping around? Yeah, there we go. There's that night rejection off of the bob level. I think this is still gonna go. What time is it? 9:42. Okay, see how Netflix goes straight up and I exit. Now I have money to eat. Nice body. Okay, well those are the goals. You know, money to eat is always a good goal to have in life. Don't miss the train. I'm waiting to see. Right now we're at a point of control of the volume profile, so it can go up or down just because it's... Okay, that makes sense. So this is kind of the deciding point right now. Enter at the top of FP. Just kidding, I know you mean the top of first presented, but that's exactly, this is it. This is the top of the first presented. This is the top of the 5-minute. One, two, three. First presented. The only problem is it's there. Sorry, I'm having little debates in my head. I'm having debates in my head. News at 9:45 and oh, there's news at 9:45 as well. Okay, wait, no, then I should probably be hands off. Let's not do something silly when there's news happening, right? That feels like a silly goose move to do, so let's... It does kind of suck because this is quite a nice setup, but I'd rather wait for news, right? There's always going to be another trade. There'll always be another trade. It is what it is. You look hesitant. This A+ will say, take it. You don't worry much about 10 AM news then. No, but that's the thing, OTT. You know me, news is a big thing. I know news is a big thing. It could very easily come and wick out further. I mean, I love that the first presented and everything kind of line up with my entry. But... Right? But the news could be a very big thing. That's why I'm hesitant. The news is what's making me hesitate. Unless this is in and out before 10, let's see. Because like I said, it's an A+, I do like it. Hey Hannah, what's up? How goes it, Hannah Banana? Sorry, I don't know why I'm calling you Hannah Banana, but anyways, what's up Hannah, how are you? Blah, 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 blah. Damn news. Okay, let's see. Do we think the news is going to be high impact? Probably. It's PMI here. PMI tends to be high impact. I know you're from the UK. What's up? How's the UK treating you? Is it cold that side of the world right now? If it is, do you want to swap? Do you want to come have some heat? Because good grief. The news is ISN. Is that high impact? Oh, it's red folder. Yeah, no, so it is high impact. Then hands off. Hands off. The news can create some crazy daisy things. Funny enough, Google's way behind, not showing it. I'm good, thank you. My uncle used to call me. Ah, is it okay if I call you then, Hannah Banana? Is it okay? Cold here, and yeah, well, please, please, please. You know, at this point, I think I'd much rather be dressed in 1,000 layers than be dealing with this rubbish. The rubbish being the heat, like, honestly. Okay, let's see. Hey, Boom, what's up? How you doing? Patience in a few minutes. Yeah, I know. I'm staying patient. I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna let my emotions take over from this morning. I'm still a little bit salty about this morning. I should have listened. I'm so sorry. It's okay. So don't let the emotions take over. Just continue. I love the fits. Oh, thank you. Is it cold? Boom, it's hot here. Like I said, you want to swap? Reacting to FP like perfectly. Oh, it really did. Oh, it really did. It rejected off of that solidly. Thanks. Thanks, OTT. Wait. Theoretically, wouldn't this be the first presented? Theoretically, right? The one at, oh, not 432, 932. Still, we can see dump and pump. Am I afraid there won't be a pullback? No, so Space Eagle, there's a news at 10, so in like 12 minutes. And news can be quite volatile, so it could just completely have a huge wick down, take me out, and then proceed in the correct direction. But because of the volatility, it could just completely disrespect my confluences. So it's a little bit risky to have a trade during news. It could absolutely destroy you. Hey Zubair, what's up? Antonio, don't swap. How about Joe? Oh! I mean, maybe. That's not a bad idea. I'll just come visit during this freaking heat. I don't hate that idea. Solidly do not hate that idea. Sounds like a good plan to me. It's just running away. Bye-bye. Just delete that at this point. Let's wait and see if we actually get something that looks like it wants to come back down. Yeah, but I was mostly looking at the time. No, that's true. Hit my TP, done for the day. Whoop whoop, what the heck, man? Is everyone having a great day? Well done, that is amazing. Oh, I feel like I'm back at that. Okay, to be fair, it feels like I'm now at 3 steps forward, 1 step back, but I'm at the 1 step back stage, which is very frustrating, but it's okay. We continue. Don't let the motion of the ocean, the emotions take over. Guys, I promise I'm not getting weirder. Anyways. Bye-bye, Trey. Oh, yeah, Loki, you're right. This is just going. Adios, amigos. Wow. No, OTT, I had a little bit, I had a loss this morning. I had that loss on Friday. So wait, Friday I had a loss? Yeah, Friday was a loss. This morning I had a partial and then break even, so that wasn't bad. So I went back up, and then I had a loss, but literally ticked out, literally by a tick, well, 2 ticks, and then it went up to TP, so that was not very nice. Anyways, so that's why it feels like it's one step back. But let's see. And she wasn't pulled back before. Hannah Banana is so nice to everyone. Damn. Hannah Banana, how's the trade? Are you a trader? Let's maybe start there. Are you a trader? Don't linger on the past. No, you're right. You are correct. That sounded very Rafiki of you. Just saying. Just saying, that was very Rafiki. I love it. If you know, you know. Hey, Bakri. I hope I said that correctly. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, and any tips? Patience pays, and if you're emotional, just lock yourself out. Oh, cheers, Dom. Wow, look at you go. What a good trading day for you. Still hands off until 10. We still have a few minutes left, so hands off, waiting until the news, red folder news. Let's see what reaction we get. Let's see if that's... Ooh, I wonder if it's going to be 10 a.m. reversal. 10 a.m. reversal might be a thing. Ooh. That would be interesting. Let's see if it's going to be a 10 a.m. reversal. Hey, Kash, what's up? If you look left when placing stop loss and entry, it'll be a stop. I did it just now, Solly. I literally went and I checked the high time frames and I double checked everything. Coming at me with sass. From 1 to 50 minutes on RSI price is overbought. I see we are still on the bully Maya train today. What happened to it's a new day, OTT? Good grief. And Solly. Solly, it's Tuesday. Bullying me was a Monday thing. Be nice. Good grief. Anyways. Can chat put their links up so I can subscribe to you all? Aw, Hannah Banana's such a sweetie pie. But again, Hannah, are you a... Who are you? Sorry, that maybe sounds super rude. But like, are you a trader? What's your thing, Hannah Banana? Are you trading to which concepts you use for trading? Gosh, so I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. So that's my thing. Sorry, I said it that weirdly, but anyways, yeah, ICT mixed with, sorry, market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. What overtrade you're doing? Awesome. Oh, Antonio. I do appreciate that. I do appreciate that very, very much. Patience pays, right? And you have to be so strict with the discipline that it's almost boring. That it's almost boring. It needs to almost be boring, right? Means is use again, so TP is the same, but what he means is why should price get there? Okay, what? OTT, explain a little bit further, please, if you don't mind. Maya, the must knock down the door. They knocked me in. What do you mean, Lucky? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm so confused. What did I do? Hannah, this is a very important thing to learn. Cover one side of your screen when you're reviewing old chart media so you don't distract your eyes and can't see before the move happened. Why are you saying Hannah right now? You're not talking to me, right, Jason? Cool, just checking. Okay, moving on. Gosh, I don't have a view for that, unfortunately. Sorry. Franks, what's up? The Space Eagle Vision I closed. That's valid. Let's see. We still have a few minutes to go. 5 minutes. Nope. Yes, 5 minutes. Why did I think I saw that wrong? Anyways, 5 minutes to go for news until we get to news. Let's now see what we get. Ah, these bob levels. Pardon me. Okay. Not yet. See, I'm trying to be positive here. When I pass this eval, and if I maybe get another eval, I'm gonna, because then I'll be a little bit more confident, right? I think that's the thing. Confidence is key, but not being, oh damn guys, trading's tricky. Sorry, because I was just thinking about it. It's good to be confident when trading, right? Take your trades, take your setup. But to be overconfident is also not a good thing. So it's such a, you have to keep the control, hold yourself together, be confident, but not cocky, I guess, right? Have the confidence in your setup, but don't like be arrogant about it. Accept that there might be losses. I'm talking to myself mostly here. Sorry guys, you guys get to have the ramble, but I'm so sure you guys are so used to that by now. You're looking for a long, you place your entry. It shows TP at 40 points, but why should price move at 40 points? What's above what drawn liquidity? Get a payout first then expand. Yes. As you said though, once the news is over, another trade opportunity begins. Confident in your setup, not cocky that you know what the market is going to do. Oh no! No. I literally never claimed to know what the market's going to do. Like I said, I really suspected it was going to take out those equal lows before it moved up to take out Asia high. That didn't happen. Okay, still waiting. 9:57, 3 minutes to go. Let's see if it's going to be that 10 a.m. reversal or not. Are we going to come back to the first presented? Ooh, we might come back to the first presented. That could be quite interesting. We're dropping pretty solidly on ES right now. So can't take this trade because it's hands off until news. So let's see if this would have been a win or a loss. But either way, it's hands off and it's a good reason why it's hands off, so it's fine. The setup isn't just A+ because of the confluence for the entry, but the targets as well. The only time which that is tricky is all-time highs. I get you, but I tend to have my I know you don't really like the volume profiles, but like the bob levels in general actually tend to be, or I mean, once it's set, I check the higher time frames, and then once it's in, I have my standard, you know, my standard TP, and then I check for the runners what's above. Like there was that day where it wasn't Asia high, what was it? For something else, but it wasn't Asia high. Okay, 1 minute to go before news. And I placed it there, and then I actually moved it to the bodies. So I do check with regards to especially the runners where an ideal / larger TP could be. I know you're being awfully quiet here, but anyways. True, maybe a pullback to get higher. No, I love volume profile, but just couldn't implement it. Oh, okay, cool, just straight. Hey, Shaka, what's up? Okay, let's see. 15 seconds to go to news. Shall we count down? From 5 seconds, because I'm going to sound like a toolbox counting down from 10. So, let's see, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and news time! I kind of expected more. I was waiting for more dramatic stuff, but let's see. I mean, it's a pretty hectic wick that's happened now. I still wouldn't have been taken out of this. That's interesting. I really thought I would be, but anywho. Let's see where we go now. Like I said, is this going to be the 10 a.m. reversal? Are we going to trend as friend? We're going to continue to the buy side. I'm not a trader, I'm a fisher lady. I got a boat. Damn, Hannah, that's cool. You've fished like I'm just gonna say competitively because I know they are fishing like competitions and stuff. So do you fish like competitively or do you just fish for fun? I know Solly is also a fisherman. Sorry, this thing is driving me absolutely crazy. There we go. Better. Oh, thanks, Hannah. I'm South African. Still sound like a toolbox, but a new one. Thanks. Appreciate it. I guess that is my new name. Thank you, everybody. Please remember that I helped you with and fire. Thank you. Okay, so wait, Jason. So you were talking to me, not Hannah, right? Yeah, this is a very important thing to cover. One side of your screen when you are reviewing old chart media. I can't see. Oh, yeah. No, 100%. No. So when you're back testing, make sure that you can't see what happened, so that you don't have that. Almost, it's already a bias, so you can see what would have and should have worked already, and what didn't, and blah 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 blah. We can see correction down now. What the heck, Hannah? That is so cool. How long have you been doing that for? Yeah, that is amazing. I've done fishing before, can I just say? I caught how heavy was it? A 20 kilogram vundu, or catfish, if you will. It was so heavy I couldn't even lift the thing up. Like, I was holding it here and its tail was touching the floor. It was very, very cool. It was rough, don't get me wrong. Damn, I was tired after that, but it was impressive. For about 5 years now. Damn, and what brings you to a random trading channel, I guess? Yeah. What brings you here, Hannah? Okay, let's wait for confirmation. Are we gonna continue? We gonna start coming down for the sell side. Feels so close yet so far. Okay. Sorry, I'm still kind of bummed about the Tradeify news as well, but it is what it is. Each beautiful world trading, not all I remember. Cole giving it a go. Aw, thanks, Jason. I appreciate it. Your life popped up, so I clicked on. Oh, that's awesome, Hannah. That is so cool. Well, much appreciated. As you can see, obviously this is a trading channel, but I like to think of it more as an amazing family. I'm Fast and Furiousing it. Yes. It's family. We're doing the Fast and Furious thing. Oh, OTT? Go check out on Discord. South Africa, not allowed anymore with Tradeify. Just as I was about to try and get an affiliate code with them. That's fun for me. Looks like a market maker buy model on the 4 hour. Let me check. What part of the world do you fish? You have piqued Solly's curiosity. Hannah, oh wait, maybe it's rude. I was gonna ask Hannah, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you? I'll tell you how old I am. Sorry. Oh, I just checked my email. There we go. Is this gonna be a double top? This might be a double top. Let me quickly check the 4 hour. Oh, we're about to hit the top of these bodies, 827. Let's see, if we get above this, then I think this is good to go for buys. 042. Wow. I think we changed back to the bull. I think we're now going up, up and away. Damn. Check at that. This is looking like a bull. Okay, let's do this then. So that one would have been a win. Good to know. It is what it is. But now let's wait for some confirmation with this setup. Let's see if it goes slightly higher and we get a decent setup. This could be good for a long. It has taken out the high on ES and NQ. Hey, Leon, what's up? Cape Town or Joburg? Actually, KZN, but I used to be Pretoria, Joburg side. Pulled back to keep going higher, possibly. Antonio, I think so. There goes my account. OTT, I am, like I said, I'm upset. I'm 44, I'm old. No, you're not old. I'm not 22, I'm 27 actually, but I appreciate it. What else with Tradeify? We'll see, catch fish on rod and reel and sell them to markets. Frank, you're waiting for buy, wait for the next pullback. Yeah, basically, what would be ideal actually is this range here. Gotta wait for some more confirmation. If the entry was higher up around here, that would be even better. Let's see if it continues up slightly. So, not there. Shoot, let's see. I mean, if it retraces that far down, I don't know if I want that entry. Holy moly! ES, calm down. They're just running away right now, damn. It's 70. So yes, definitely made it to the 25800s. Okie dokie then. This sells all the locals in my area. I have buyers that keep me going in your rod and reel. Nice, keep pushing, just max out FTMO and scale to 1 mil. What? Leon, where are you from? I'm assuming you're South African, right? It's touching towards the previous daily high. PDH. Yeah, here's the New York high. Or previous daily high, if you will. Like I said, an entry here would actually be better, but I don't know if it's gonna retrace that far back down. One, two, three. Okay, let's see. Patience pays. Patience is key. Wait for your A+ setups. I'm just reminding myself about all this so I don't do something dumb. Unicorn coming? I still love these names. Unicorn and Silver Bullet and Turtle Soup. I feel like we need to call this like the Powerpuff Girl at this point, just because it's funny. Antonio, I would enter long on the last high. So that's kind of what I said. I said ideally an entry here would be optimal. I feel like this entry is too low down. An entry here would be better. And go to previous day high. That would be quite a nice one. I'm trying not to mess with my structure too much though. My setup rather. My GAN. Based in Cape Town. Oh, trade futures, never mind. Thanks, Rion. I was like, what? Rishan, what's that? Based in Cape Town. So Rion, do you do this full time or what's your thing? Welcome. There's a few South African traders here. Welcome to the South African gang. How's it going? Maybe not call ourselves a gang here. Now we can be the South African trading gang. I love it. You do know it's not a bad thing to not trade today if this isn't any opportunity you're looking for. I know, Lucky. I know. It's day trader, not everyday trader. I have already taken 2 trades today. One was a partial and break even, so it wasn't a full TP. And the other one, unfortunately, was a full stop loss / wicked out. Woo! That upset me. It's okay. It is what it is. But you are also correct. If the emotions are a little bit heightened, it's not a bad thing to take a step back, get a reconfirmation? Reconfirmation? Maybe that's the wrong word, but you know what I mean. Maybe we go to 900, some orders up there on the bid. I don't ICT and SMC, but it's not working good for me. Still, I'm eating stop loss. Can you suggest me anything? Oh, so Cash, I mean, so what I use, sweet and simply, is market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. So it's very simple. You just have to know when and where to execute it. I'm still getting good at that. That's English. It's fine enough. It's okay. I'm still improving on that. Maybe that's better. I make mistakes every day. But that being said, I do still learn every day. And some days I feel like I've got it, and then other days, a little bit like today, I feel like it is what it is. Sorry, Roshan, what am I trading right now? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How's it going? Day trader, not everyday trader. You are correct. I said it first. I'm not affiliated to that gang. Possibly. Wow. Okay, fine. We then won't be the South African trading gang. I thought it would be cool. Be like a biker gang or something, but never mind. We could get like those leather jackets with the cuts being like the South African traders. My bad. No one wants to be part of my cool kid club. So maybe it's not a cool kid club. Sad. Okay, moving on. Part-time, still have a 9 to 5, been profitable since last year. Hey, Rian, that's amazing. And how long have you been trading for? I'm an online English teacher. I almost corrected you, Space. I must be driving you crazy. I'm driving myself crazy with how beautiful my English is right now. Yes, I said English on purpose because that is what it freaking feels like. To be fair, I'm fluent in gibberish, so nailing it. Does anyone know my gibberish? Not really, but it's okay. I'm fluent at it. Bikers with laptops. Exactly. Go around at a certain spot. We just take our laptops out, place a trade in. I dig it. I think it could be cool. Oh yeah, look for the perfect intro. I got so many trades today. Bro, I made 7k USD in my funded account and from one of my big wins. I'm happy with it. Damn, Rashan, that's amazing. Whoop whoop for you. Space Eagle. Come on, it's a cool idea. I think it's a cool idea, but whatever. Yep, still not affiliated. Oh, come on, Lucky. Anyway, since 2022, me since last year, April, so not even a year yet. Yeah, going slowly and steady onto a year. One day at a time. Good, I'm giving good. Shan, what did you trade? Well, I'm gonna call it a day. Can't trust the news traders and is looking like, oh no, sorry, Space Eagle. My brokers with price gaps and lagging. Oh no, Franks, that's not good. What the heck, man? Which broker do you use, Franks? And which platform do you use? If it didn't hit the bob level, I would have low-key been keen on this. Oh no, it's just running away. That is too far for it to retrace now. Sugar honey iced tea. It's also too far for it to retrace. This is just literally running away. That only has 2 confluences. This would still be the goodie, but oh my gosh. Just, oh my gosh, this is just going level to freaking level right now. Okay, let's see what happens. Gold is giving good trades. I've heard gold is kind of on a cheat sheet right now. Like, you can just buy any dip and you are almost guaranteed to have a win. That is definitely not financial advice. No one come at me. I do not trade gold. I'm just going off of what I've heard. Ooh, let's just be careful there. Cautious of being yelled at. Look at the drop on VIX. I know I gained 300 today on NQ. Oh no. What a shame. I'm so sorry. Sorry, that was so sassy. I'm so sorry. Whoop whoop. That is amazing. Green is green, right? 11 a.m. reversal, maybe. I thought 10 a.m. was going to be a reversal with the news and everything, but sure, this looks like it's going for the previous day high. Fund is the best investment, good money. Gold is the new casino. You will lose it just as fast. That's true. That was the reality until last week. No trade day for me. I'm not touching NQ today. Just no structure at all. Let's see what tomorrow has. Yeah, Mac, I feel like I'm also chasing, which is not good. Like I said, theoretically, this would be quite a good trade. Theoretically, this is quite a goodie, but this is really far for it to come down and retest now. Like really, really far for it to come back down and retest now. This one isn't bad, but it's not an A+ setup. This has two confluences, so it's not an A+ setup. So I guess it is what it is. Right now I don't have an opportunity for a trade. Let's see, maybe it starts to get a little bit more structure instead of just running away. The only one I could have entered was during news and it would have been a win, but again, it was during news, it was red folder, that would have been very high risk. We are not silly geese. Well, we are sometimes silly geese, but it's fine. Yeah, too much fake out on gold, not that easy. I missed the full drop on gold. My internet went on a vacation. Oh no, Rashad, no, that's not okay. Nice volatility, no entries. No, but that's exactly it, OTT. It's just, what? It's being a runaway train. So if anyone managed to hop aboard this runaway train, nice. For those of you that missed it and are watching it leave without you, it's not the end of the world. There's always going to be another train coming around, right? Another train, another trade. Get it? Little play on words there. I thought I was clever. Anyways, you are sometimes silly geese. No, I am. Oh, 100%. Shaka Shorts bought me golden eggs. Hey, whoop whoop then, Shaka. Well done. My use bookmap. I've been doing a little bit of a research into bookmap. It looks confusing as heck, I'm not gonna lie, but it's not a bad option. Hi, who's played Destiny before? Well, OTT, I was 1 trade away and now I'm like 2 trades away from passing this. Maybe 3, who knows? It's okay, it's okay. Like I said, it feels like I'm at that just 1 step back phase, and it's okay. It's okay. I just have to remind myself about that. The psychology is such a pain in the butt. This channel such a realistic approach in view of trading. Sometimes I'm here just watching and learning. Oh, great! Grind's hard! Thanks for that. Speaking of, guys, don't forget to press that like button, but yes. I'm not here to hide anything. Trading is not easy, people. This runaway train has just left the station without me. It's okay. The raw emotions are here. Can you tell? It's okay. Go ahead and get that bookmap. Bookmap affiliate code. There's a bookmap affiliate code. I think I might move to CFD for a while. Tradeify, non-funding, pips gone. Only have funded next accounts left. Heard it's good. Well, OTTs. No, this was a side project. What's my trading strategy? Hey, Rishan. Oh my gosh. Apparently being left behind. No, I'm joking. My trading strategy, sweet and simply, is market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Shoot. Nope. And nope. don't like any of those. This just feels like FOMO right now. To check the higher time frames with this one. Why do I not hate this? Sorry, I'll get back to focusing on you guys in a second. Tapped into the bodies of these candles. Ooh, if it breaks this high, that'll be really good, but it has hit a very high resistance level here. Very high resistance level. Oh, I'm gonna hear about this tomorrow. I can guarantee it already. I'm definitely gonna hear about this, but it's okay. 5 minutes, 15 minutes. What the heck is this? Look at this on the 15 minutes. What the heck, man? Not one nope. 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 Just nope. Sorry, I'm noping out of this idea because this could literally just come and crush me. Crush my little soul. Gosh, Maya is teleporting. Am I? What's happening? Be careful, don't chase the snow. OTT, that's exactly. Up and away, no 100%. I hate funding people. I always get login problems in their website, so I crashed out and stopped using it. Oh, interesting. Rashan, where are you from, by the way? Wait, does anyone see this with me? How is DXY and NQ rising at the same time? Isn't NQ supposed to have inverse correlation? Mac, not always. It's like IQ and gold had reverse correlation. Not always. And I wasn't necessarily wrong, but I guess it just depends on the market and the news and all the whatnots that's happening. But I mean, these relative equal highs are quite nice. And look at all this. Okay, this is so overextended. That's the only problem. Or else I would kind of be keen on trying to get in on this. It's a hit to New York high. It's overextended, don't do it. Sorry. I tried, it's got a lot of some uncle my funded futures to come to SA. Honestly, OTT, please. It happens when there's a lot of liquidity above those high resistance downtrend. It's a market maker model. What is SA? South Africa? Yeah. Oh damn, Rashan, that's awesome. And how do you like New York City? Why is the dollar index not gold? No, I know, Mac, but I'm saying normally I would realize that gold and NQ were reverse as well. Watch this work out perfectly just because I didn't take it. Like, that was a freaking solid rejection off of there. What? Next I will look for last session high 26022. My is there a draw above? Yes. Is your setup A+? I would long if I had a setup form and only reason still watching the charts. Well, it's too late now. Is it? It just feels so overextended. That's the problem. I don't want to make... Pulling back to an order block. Would have mitigated risk by half already. Shoot. Problem is, it's completely stuck at this level, and like I said, it's so overextended. I mean, on the higher time frames you saw, there's been no pullbacks at all. songs since their best songs ever, apart from Destiny can overrated. Antonio Nyako for it. I feel like that's like saying, nah, just hop on this moving train. Let's see where it takes us. It's hit a resistance level. I think that's the thing. If it breaks, it's gonna break up properly. If it doesn't break, it's gonna drop down solidly. Place a buy limit below this loss. That's what I want to do. New York City is improved. Cooler London. I love it. Only reason I would be hesitant is because of ES. And this. Let's not forget about that. This is solidly consolidating. No, context. Hey, go have fun. No, you didn't. You haven't missed the fun. You've missed the. Okay, so that would have been a half loss. Okay. 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 So now I don't feel too yucky about it. You didn't roll that property worse, but it's still so cool. I want to move to tax-free country, bro. I don't want to pay tax. Where is a tax-free country? Sorry, I don't know if that's a dumb question, but where is one? Mentioned yourself because you didn't take it and went in your predicted direction. Are you mad that you had all of your entry signals and didn't take it? Lucky. Well, now I'm kind of glad I didn't take it because I did think it was overextended. I think I'm just. I don't know. I'm feeling frustrated with myself today, which is not a good thing. I mean, that would have hit full stop loss. Sit here for this, but again, not A+. Ugh. Like I said, it was overextended completely. I don't know why I'm so frustrated with myself today. Huh. Well, I'm gonna have to write this in my journal. This is very interesting. I wonder why. Do you think I could just blame the heat? Can I blame the heat for feeling so frustrated with myself? Probably that and that tick that happened during the London session that resulted in a solid loss before it went and would have hit my TP, but it's okay. They basically take half my money. Damn! What the heck, man? Did I pass? No. I'll try, maybe I'll love it. Interesting. Yeah, sorry, this is actually very interesting. I'm feeling very frustrated with myself, but there's no valid reason for why I am. Does that make sense? Okay. Okay, because I'm feeling that, give me 2 seconds. I'm actually then gonna grab myself some water. Yeah, let me go grab myself some water. I'm gonna sit back, drink some water, go hands off for a minute. There's always going to be another setup, so let's wait. Let's see if this would have worked out. But again, this is not an A+ setup for me and my strategy, so it's fine. Let me go grab some water, take a bit of a step back, watch the charts, breathe, and then when the emotions are under control again, we'll start looking for another setup. But let me quickly grab some water. I think that'll also help because it's hot as hell. Be right back, guys. Okie dokie. Got my water. I'm gonna take a bit of a sit back. Hey, yo, DJ, what's up? I'm here. Oh, Roshan, how long have I been trading for? Sorry, getting comfy. I've been trading for a year in April, actually. Yeah, in April, I've been trading for a year. Roshan, you can live like a billionaire with millions. What are you talking about? This is really expensive. Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna 34 million, then oops, that was a poor man. Roshan, sorry, that gave me a good giggle. Probably from the New York Open when someone told you to go long. Let's see. Monday fun day. Exactly. What do you mean, damn? Damn with a crying face. Is that a good damn or a bad damn? What does that mean? Back to work, weekend is over. I hear that. Just kidding. I say that. Like, I really actually miss the charts and miss chatting to you guys when it's the weekend. Ah, interesting. Let's see how this reacts here. So this has a little bit of a 1, 2. This 2, but an inverse fair value gap. But I know an inverse on the 1 minute doesn't mean much. Do you think this was just a bit more of a pullback? Interesting. We are completely overextended. Okay. Paper trading is short right now. Reason I didn't take this. Don't have a valid point of interest. Bangladesh. I just make millions and move to Bangladesh again after the poor man. But live like a king. I mean, that's one way of doing it, right? I would always like to think that if I do become super successful, that I would still be modest. Does that make sense? I've never been one that's interested in... Sorry, that was very like emo looking of me. I've never been one of those that's been interested in like getting branded things or looking too fancy. Like, I've never actually been interested in being a millionaire and like having all the money in the world. I just think I want to be comfortable. Like, if something happens, I don't have to sit there and stress completely thinking, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do now? So that, for me, that's my goal, at least. I know everyone has different goals at different points where they want to be in their life, but for me, that's where I'd like to be. Just comfortable. Like, if I wanted to do something, I could without having to like break the bank, essentially. Hard disagree, your head would be huge. Oh, no way, Solly. Being modest, I'm buying a pink Bugatti. I love it. Solly, what on earth makes you think that? I've never been that type of person. I just came to say hi and whoop whoop, but mostly hi. Ayo, Jordy. So wait, whoop whoop, did you have a win? I said it before, I want to be financially free, multi-millionaire. Yes. I mean, yeah, just keep doing what you're doing. You'll become one of the coach. You clearly focus on the process and not the money. Oh, thanks, Antonio. I appreciate that. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button, right? The more we grow this community, the better. Can help the trading journey along. Because every day is a learning opportunity. Solly, don't come at me. I'm gonna keep saying that. Solly, don't come at me. Hey, Southpaw, what's up? Of course, Geordie caught a bang. Of course. Why don't I even question it? Geordie always catches the bangers. I'm on my cruise. I don't have video, so I don't know if my comment will make it to you. Someone let me know in the comments if she sees this, please. Oh! Southpaw, I see you. Mad love. I hope you're having an amazing cruise. See, I want to be able to go on cruises without feeling like I'm gonna break the bank. Just kidding. Hey, Anton, what's up? How are you? I just want to make my money and keep it in a bank and give it to my family because I saw they struggle for me and my siblings. Oh, see? Shan, that's amazing. I would probably donate my... well, ideally, in a perfect world, if or when I'm big, I would like to then, like, donate to, like, SPCAs and things. Or better yet, ooh, imagine being able to open my own shelter for all the animals in need. Now that is goals. Right there. That is goals right there. And most of all, I want to be free. I want to be... So... Oh, go have fun. I appreciate that. But 100%, I do think majority of traders... ideal circumstances? Maybe that's a weird way of saying it, but I think most traders do just want that freedom, right? Freedom to be able to travel if you wanted to. But of course, everything costs cha-ching. You guys all... Wait, wait. Points around there. If I held that would have been a pink Bugatti. So, that's a way too kind. I just want to get a dope ass flamethrower. Jordy, I would judge you, but that sounds cool. Also, hear me out. Flamethrower, deodorant, lighter. No, just me. Am I just a problem? Be the problem you want to see in the world. Anyways. Let me answer too. Let me answer to South Park quickly. I see you. You're amazing. Done. My goal is to get a mansion and get all the outside cats to give them a home and love. Oh, see, guys, see. Why not? Baby, good grief. I'm trying to roast Parliament, not marshmallows. I wasn't expecting that. I'm not gonna lie. I was not expecting that, but that was freaking amazing. My Armenia. What be the problem you want to see in the world? I'm gonna frame that. It's amazing. Anton, how did I get into trading? Would love to hear the story. Sure, Anton. So, oh, sorry. Now you've opened the can of worms on me. You're gonna talk away. Naturally, this is gonna be a freaking bang of a trade. But anyways, so sweet and simply, I was complaining to my friend the one day because no matter where I've worked throughout my life, I've been working since I was like 16 years old. I've just always been one of those that had a job, always been working, but obviously always working for someone, right? And literally no matter where I've worked, people love to take advantage of me because I'm really bad at setting boundaries. I am disgusting at setting boundaries. So people would full on take advantage. Like I would be working 4 to 5 extra hours for no extra pay. Like those type of situations. There was some nights I was coming home at like 10 p.m. or later because I was working too much. So I was just basically complaining about how people love to take advantage, and obviously I'm working so hard but getting nothing out of it, and it feels like I'm never gonna grow and getting basically bare minimum payment. And my friend then introduced me to trading and said this is a way to be your own boss, become financially free eventually, but it's not gonna be easy. Like it's gonna take a while. So essentially sweet and simply, my reason for trading is no different to anyone else's. Sorry. I wish it was some special story. It's really not. It's just, it's the freedom. Freedom from having a boss. Freedom from the financial stresses of the world, right? I would just love to be comfortable without having to freak out anytime the bulls come, as we all are very much aware of that. But yeah. I went through a hard time, came through. I just want freedom. When I was 13, me and the boys were smoking flawless, and someone did the deodorant and light, and it blew up in his hand. Damn, Solly, that's terrifying. We seem to be holding this level. Next stop is the higher highs. No ways. You think the next stop is the higher highs? Because villains are always remembered. Homelander. Wow. I started working at the age of 14 under the table, and Sam, I'm horrible with setting boundaries. So, yeah, that's basically, that sounds bad, but it's basically my little sob story is that, oh, this looks like a double high. I think this is going to start going down. Or double top, sorry, not double high. This does kind of look like a double top right now. And the sell side liquidity volume, not liquidity, sell side volume or bearish volume is picking up. Let's see what happens now. Son of a biscuits. So rude! Hey, happy Monday, new week, new month, and new moon. Aww. Hey Ninja, how you doing? Well, you want to know how I got into trading? I was 13, saw one of my friends make money by doing binary copy trading, so I followed him. Rashan, what a wild freaking story. What the heck, man? Was your dad upset? Then you're gonna hear someone say she trades for fun. No, you have a point. Who here trades for fun? Like, it is fun, don't get me wrong. I thoroughly enjoy it. It's frustrating sometimes. As you can see today, the emotions are a little bit spiked. Again, I don't know why. Like I said, I'm sitting back having some water, letting the emotions go back under control. Taking a little bit of a step back. Let's wait for confirmations now. We still have time. Was the friend, so the friend was a trader, yes. They've been trading for 5 years, so they said don't expect this to be magical. They taught me the basics, like the fair value gaps, the order blocks, confluences. No, not confluences, sorry. Consolidations. And a little bit, you know, like the basics. And the rest I've got from this amazing community. I trade for fun. My rich dad gave me a small loan of $1 million, trading 1 million. Account is part of that. Sounds solid. I'm calling BS. Anyways, for fun, easy 20 mil locked in. So it was a turning point for me. That's how I got into trading. Market maker hits spun twice. As we can see, Nasdaq is an SMT with ES, forming a double high. Yeah, not wrong. I'm doing my research and heard about higher highs. I can't find that comment. Could you read it again, please? Mac, which comment are you talking about? Which comment are you talking about? Solly could retire us all. He has one job. No, honestly, Solly, why are you not sharing the love then? Huh? Why are you not sharing the love? Solly just hates us, actually. Because, well, to be fair, we know your dad is Mr. ICT himself, so he could have millions and he could have given you a loan, right? Gosh, I am being sassy. Maybe I need to calm down today. One, 3. I think we're gonna start retesting soon. I could be wrong. I suspect we're gonna actually start retesting soon. Again, I could very much be wrong. I'm not reading the charts very well today. Which is frustrating, but it is what it is. Okay, if you've forgotten and we missed it. Oh! Sorry, Mac. Okay, yeah, I apologize. Or maybe it's time for Maya Unleashed. What, Maya Unleashed? What, me being just absolutely unhinged? We can't do that. We can't do that. I will lose like 1 million subscribers and I don't even have 1 million subscribers. I'll be in the negatives. So please get got Lady her coffee. I got water. I got water. We have a little bit of an SMT. Yeah. Don't fall for the trap, Maya. We keep going up. Really? You... No ways. You think we're gonna keep going up? I kind of see it. Again, I'm not great at these SMTs, so... Membership is Michael teaching me on camera live on YouTube, father and son. Solly, please tell me if that actually happens. I will so be there. What's my take on silver? Actually, I haven't looked at silver, to be fair. Who here is trading silver? It would be hilarious. No, I nearly lost it today. There was someone being rude and I was like, don't let the South African out. Keep her contained. Keep her contained. Keep it contained. I was about to go full South African. Anyways, do I understand Swana? I don't. Sorry, Lucky. What a vegan coffee, Seasman. Oh, wow. I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you soon. Oh, Donald. Yeah, you've been awfully quiet, Donald. Are you good? With mad love. See you hopefully tomorrow, right? Bobby looks at silver. Oh, is he looking at silver? There we go. 15-minute SMTs. Ninja? What? What are you going on about, Ninja? Sorry. So I know I'm super chilled right now. So do you know what baffles my mind, right? So wait, Geordie OTT, so for the guys that weren't here this morning, so something happened this morning that I was like, I nearly fell over. Sorry, again, while I'm just having a little minute breather. I still think this wants to retest. Let's see. I still think this wants to retest lower. So this morning, I was going on some lives, you know, listening to some live traders, and I popped a comment in on one of them, just asking like, how long have you been trading for? I was genuinely curious. And you know what happened to me? I think I actually started blushing. I was like, oh. Someone was like, is this the Maya that has her own channel? I was like, yes. It's me. Anyways, sorry. I just thought it was pretty cool. And I thought I would share that experience with you guys. I felt very cool for 5 seconds and then I carried on with my life. But anyways, like I said, I still believe that this might be retracing back. Wait, Geordie, is this MMXM? So it would be like 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 should close around here, and then that's the confirmation that we're potentially gonna go for a short. Is that correct? Would that be it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I'm just trying to see this MMXM. I know it's quite a good model. Thanks, guys. Female inflation. Wow. Guys, don't forget to press that like button, by the way. But Geordie, is that correct? Am I correct in saying that? Oh, I like this. I do like this. It failed to break. By the way, whoops, whoops. Like whoop whoop. Who's the streamer? Is it bad that I can't remember his name? It's probably bad that I don't remember his name. Because we've swept the previous day highs, cleared the range. See, so this would would be really, really nice. This is a bit of a shelf. 1, 2, 3. Sugar honey iced tea. I maybe missed it. I have comments again. Thanks for acknowledgement. I have a great week. Oh, thanks, South Palm. Mad love. The paper trade. I'm playing around. Oh, okay. OTT, you playing around. Nice, 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 nice. And then I would like to see it come and sweep these lows. Maybe bob level to bob level would be quite nice. There's that rejection of the bob level. Sugar honey iced tea. That's what I wanted to see. That nice rejection off that bob level. There's that change of character. We should probably wait for a break of structure before I hop in on this, right? ABCD, Elliott wave first. Yeah, yeah, I think so, Ninja. If I'm not mistaken, is that correct, Jordy? Not remembering a fan. Oh, you're asking who the fan was? It was Crypto something 001. But you're asking about who the so the streamer himself didn't know who I was. One of the people watching the stream asked me. No, the streamer himself had no clue who I was. I said her head would get big. No, it's not. See? No, that streamer didn't know who I was at all. He has like 100k subscribers. See, I'm just a very itty bitty little fish. He doesn't care who I am. So no, it wasn't the streamer himself. I think he was just there like, okay, like I felt bad. I felt like I was taking away from his stream, and then I just said, yeah, it's me, okay, and carried on. I'm gonna smack myself for missing this, aren't I? She's gonna move to Stanton next and forget us. Jordy, don't take this the wrong way. I am, well, yeah, you won't take this the wrong way. I am never moving to Stanton. Never. I saw you, you would care who you were. Aww. It was fun, fish. Go have fun, nice. Shoot, really good rejections off of this level. I feel like I'm too late. Struggling to break above. The extended fair value gap from the left side side curve into the future and enter an inversion or displacement of those fair value gaps. Lucky I would fit into Santon. Are you crazy? No. Today might be short-lived. The news today is extremely bullish. PMI hitting 256 is massive. The last time PMI hit 50 was March 3rd. It's a good model, but takes a lot of practice to trust yourself with executing the strategy, in my opinion. What asset? Hey, Liam, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How are you doing? It kind of feels like it's in a range. Like, my instinct is to... halve my loss, which probably means I should not get in on this, right? Watch this now be a full TP because I was a chop and didn't take it, and I would go all the way. Oh, like I said, this might actually be my point of interest here. 2 runners. 2, 3, 4, 5. Entry around here actually wouldn't be bad. My model usually takes place by the smart money reversal sometimes. Interesting. So, with some sort of CISD to confirm the sell model lower so far. I shorted on my practice account where you should have. Oh, thanks, Sully. So there I would have taken partials already. Cool. And did you take any trades during London? I did, Ninja. I had one that was a partial, then took me out of break even. And one that was a loss, unfortunately. Sugar honey iced tea, man. It literally ticked me out. The one time I see this model and I'm like, ah, and then I don't take it. I think I'll take this. Might give profits back. I'm generous like that. Probably 500, 700. I feel like it's Solly's day to be mean to me. I don't know. I'm just getting that vibe of Solly's being mean. Retrace there. 50% of this actually wouldn't be terrible. 1, 2, 3. If this pulls back into there. Just gonna make sure I'm not chasing that. There's that point of interest I was interested in. Did I or did I not call this potential pullback? I'm so angry at myself, it's not even funny right now. Didn't quite take out that point of interest. It took that wick, hasn't gone further back down. 50% of this pullback there. Could start pulling back more, taking out those lows on ES. Right, limit order 7, nope, 6, yep. Had my 3. I guess this one would still theoretically be the better entry. Let's see if we get a little bit of a pullback. The bull market for now, that was fast a year. Might be the last leg down of the bull flag because we have like 340 points of range open. Hey, what is guiding my trading now? Hey, Kwon, is it Kwon? How you doing? Look at all the praise I'm getting off your trade idea. Thanks, Solly. Thanks. Where's your full TP, Solly? I mean, it does still have my 3 confluences, and it hasn't quite hit my point of interest yet. Took that out. We had then change of character and break of structure. So continuation to the sell side would be ideal. If this takes me out, I'm calling it for the day. I'm calling it. Maya trading with her brain. I'm trying. I'm trying really hard. Uh-uh. I'm so sorry, I nearly squished my dog. The setup is still good. I agree, but it missed me! Oh, now I'm upset. What the heck, man? That was not okay. I should have marked it in. That missed me. By a spread. How did that miss me? Sugar honey iced tea, you stupid brat. Yes, I'm calling you a brat. Get used to it. I need to not change this to 5. Nope, never mind. 6 is still good. Oh, because I didn't move that. Whoopsies, like a chop. I'm a grumpy goose. Tra-la-la-la-la. Whatever. It's still solid. I still have my confluences. I don't love that it's wicked below here though, but my TP is bob level. Do not tilt. I've been tilting her all day. Solly really has. Solly has been tilting me the whole day. Jody. Okay, cool. That's not nice. Tell him. Solly's been so mean to me today. To be fair, everyone's been bullying me today. Good grief. I actually can't believe that missed me by a tick. I cannot believe that missed me by a freaking tick. And now I feel like it's consolidating after very nicely going into there. What's this full range? Where's the full range? 50% of this here. It just tapped into the full range of this. Hasn't quite gone all the way back down though. I still wanted to go bob level to bob level. Sugar honey iced tea. I'm a grumpy little Maya bee, but we're gonna just be quiet and continue. I don't think 6 is valid anymore. Let's do 5. 5 is better. That would be the 50% here. I think it's just gonna continue down now. I can't believe it. Because I looked left, that's why I typed market. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? You're being mean. That's what you're being. My TP is at 806. Oh, there we go. So where my TP shoulda, coulda, woulda been. OTT, please give me advice. I want to take this long, but like I've already hit target for today. Oh my god. Yeah, no, Ninja, what if you just take it as a paper? Why don't you just paper trade it? Then you get the itch, but you're still fine. OTT, what's your advice? If it's don't cry on live, I know that. Won't stop me from doing it though. Sorry, this is... OTT, I was literally about to play this meme because this is how I'm feeling right now. That is exactly how I feel right now. Ah! Okay. You're not wrong. I think adult grape juice is necessary after today. What the heck, man? My own advice. Thanks, Ninja. I got you. How many trading days are left for Feb again? Well, I mean... What do you mean? What do you mean, how many are left for Feb? Oh, how many opportunities are there? You guys are amazing. I hope you know that. You are very correct. It's very accurate. Just leave it alone. It's also not worth chasing it because this now feels like I'm chasing it. Solly's making off of mine. Whoop whoop, 50 points. Well done, Jordy. I'm being salty. Whoop whoop, guys. Well done. The Iron 10, thank you. New montage dropping tomorrow. Teach my trading. All one tick entry misses. All top bottom ticks. You know what, Solly? Please do it. Actually, it'll be hilarious. Please do it. Please, 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 please. It'll be awesome. So for everyone that indeed had a win, whoop whoop, well done. Solly for fading me this morning and having a win, and then giving me rubbish for not moving my stop loss, and then it was a... Honestly, Solly? Solly's so mean. Perspective, Maya, perspective. Yes. And sure, you overestimate my intelligence. Be proud that you read the market right. You know what? That's fair. I'm proud that I was able to get that MMXM. Sorry, I can't say that very fast. I know some people just call it MMX, right? Maya lying. She doesn't care about your win. She's salty. I am. I'm super salty right now, but I do still care about your wins. I really, really do. I'm so proud of you guys. You know, if I can't be in the green, at least you guys are in the green. I am super proud of you guys. Don't get me wrong, I'm still salty. I'm still salty, but doesn't make me any less proud, okay? It's okay. The bad that I still think this is valid. Clearly it's respecting this level. 1, 2. This wick here. Whoopsie daisies. Wicked in there. Just don't like the wicks that it's formed here. Here's the retracement. This would have been the higher level to level, the higher range. 50%. Nope, never mind. Okay, so nice to know the full range, which I was interested in, but I think it's just way too big. Looks like it's respecting this 50% pretty solidly. Really, really solidly. Okay, I do think I'm not necessarily going to lock myself out. But I do think no more trades for today, purely because of the fact that clearly the emotions are emotioning. As if I can hide that salt and vinegar voice. The mind can make you see things during tilt, be careful. No, that's no 100%. Which is why. Let's see, because like I said, clearly the emotions are emotioning. Hey Tom Lee, what's up? Mac Trades? Hi. Hello. Oh, Wi-Fi had a moment. Okay, well. Blank screen, let's do this. Imagine I was this short. This would be so weird. Maybe I just need to start sitting like a shrimp from now on. What do you think? Most times it's the big ones that give you the most reward. I said reward. Tic-tac between lotters, tic-tacs. Mac Trades, what's up? Like I said, oh dear. Okay, well, the Wi-Fi is saying nah. There we go. Nope, never mind. Still saying nah. You can imagine I was this short. This would be so weird. Mac, yeah, honestly, Mac, your fault. No, I'm joking. I'm also sitting like a weirdo right now. But what's up, Mac? How you doing? How's it going? Okay, let's be a normal human being. Believe it or not, I can be normal sometimes. Okay. The saltiness is done. Sorry, there was a bug. I hope everyone had a great day. No, Cisa, I didn't. Yeah. Friday, unfortunately, I had a loss. This morning, I had a partial and a break even, so I was a little bit in the green. Hiccup, sorry. Partial, then break even, so I was a little bit in the green, and then I took a loss during London. I missed my setup here. It's just not my day today, and you know what? That's okay. Hey Tom Lee, how you doing? I'll believe it when I see it. Lucky you'll believe what when you see it. Good over here in the States. I finished my morning green, so just scouting other traders. Nice! Mac, whoop whoop, that is awesome! Mac, have you ever been on this channel? I feel like maybe not. Have you been on this channel before? Michael, how you doing? Lacote. Is that correct? You have? Really? Now I feel bad. Potential MMBM incoming. Back to the highs. Like I said, potentially, for the long setup, this would have been my entry at the 50% level here. Yeah, this would have been my entry at the 50% level here. Like I said, this range is just too large. I don't even think I would have been able to place... Let's see. Let's see if I would have been able to place a trade here. I think the range is just more than I'm willing to risk. At that point, I might as well actually just head for the New York high. Let's just be real. Yeah, so let's say I took this. Why is that so off? Not by much. Okay. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. No. Oh no, I could have. What am I talking about? Huh, okay, I could have gone like one contract in for 120. Huh. Interesting. Or two for 240. I mean, it's too late. I'm not going to take it, but that was interesting. So this would have been an A+ setup all the way back to New York high. Let's see, though. I still believe that this might want to retrace further down. We are so overextended on the bull side of life right now. But again, this is quite a solid push back up now, so let's see. Two times. Oh, thanks, Matt. Well, then, shout out to you. I feel bad now. Most times just felt like saying hi this time. Okay, that makes sense. See, if you're not so chatty, then I don't see you. But I'm glad to have you chatting. What's up, Mac? How's it doing? I'm new here, and when I saw your analysis in the chart, I was like, no. Which part? Which no part? What'd I do? Tom Lee, so you're new here. So how long have you been trading for? What's your strategy? What's your thing, chicken wing? I'm going crazy. Just bear with me. Don't worry, I'm not going to place any more trades for the day because clearly the emotions are a little bit spiked today. So we don't trade emotional. We do not trade with emotions. We do not trade with emotions. So I'm hands off, so I am all yours for now. I'm still going to watch. Let's see if this works out. Just get confirmation that the strategy works. Just stop letting the stupid emotions take control. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna take a very nice cold bath when the live is... Lucky, I hear you. It is so hot today. So nobody participating in the tournament on TradingView. Ninja, I saw that. I saw that competition. It looks interesting. I would take that long. I missed it. Aw, seriously, OTT. There we go. Yeah. check. It's quite a goodie, all the way back up to New York High. Shoot, I maybe should have left it. Oh, it's... No, no, no emotions, get out. Oh, cheers, Geordie. No emotions, but market motion. There we go. It's called... May the ticks be in your favor. Clearly they're not in my favor today, Geordie. May the ticks be with you. I was referring to current chart. Yeah, Dominique, I'm aware, but what about it? What about it? Got some weird tickers because it's Euro indices, but yeah, free chance to test your skills and possibly win some prizes. I saw, wasn't it also like a 25k account? Ninja, correct me if I'm wrong. I did see it. Should maybe have a look at it. No, that being said, maybe I shouldn't go ahead and confuse myself when the brain's already braining right now. OTT, you might take this. Go on then. Antonio, when's the after party? The after party? Whoop whoop. After party, good grief. I'm stealing. I don't like it. $100k demo account, some limits on the contract size. Oh, never mind. I saw 25k for some reason. Maybe mine's what? Are you sure it's a 100k demo account? What? Never mind then. With which broker? Oh, maybe that's the question. Maybe that's the question. Like I said, I saw something pop up. Maybe I'll take a screenshot of it tomorrow. Oh, that's a 25k prize, but what the heck, man? Okay then. Okay then, that's nice. Let's see where this goes. Like I said, I'm still hands off. I'm still salty. There, it's going for the win. Hey David, what's up? Ugh, I'm just... It's just not my day. Sweet and simply, David. It's just not my day. During London, I had a partial and a break even. That's not bad. Then I had a loss that was, oh my gosh, when the Wi-Fi plays ball and it pops on. I was literally just ticked out. There we go. You can see here, literally just ticked out before it went up to be a winning trade. And what happened here? Oh, I couldn't take this trade because of news, so that was fine. I had an MMX set up over here, and it missed me by a... I don't even want to say a tick. It missed me by the freaking... whatchamacallit. Now I forgot what it's called. What's it called? Oh, this is gonna bug me. Spread! There we go. It missed me by a spread. That's it. Good prize, damn. I mean, good way to test your skills. No, 100%. 100%. But I don't got skills yet, so it's okay. So, OTT, you waiting for a retest back down and then looking for the highs, right? We've called that long nicely, 50 points. Nice, well done. Decimal, there we go, slip it. I mean, there we go. By the spread. It literally missed me by the spread. It's okay. I'm gonna have to make a shot of that tomorrow because that was... yeah. That was fun. As you voted the see guys. Maybe it's just not my day, and you know what? That's fine. Wait. Can't always be a winning day. Hello! Look at this! We got a little... oh! We got a little friend. Come and say hi. Doubted it'll reach though. We'll remove the limits at -1 STV. Well, we got a little Perry to come and make me feel better. He knows. He just always knows. Get it? He knows. Missed by a tick because of bread. Ninja, basically, because I don't even want to say it missed me by a tick. It tapped in, but it just missed me by the spread. Am I on demo or live? Just checking. Tom Lee, eval. So I guess that's technically demo, right? Would that be classified as a demo? Who's the good boy? Hey doggo, long or short, buddy? How do I ask him long or short? Like, is he supposed to blink, Harry? Let's see, blink once if it's gonna be long. No, shoot, he hasn't blinked. Okay, so maybe it's short. Tom Lee, did that answer your question? Sorry. So I am on an eval account. I'm at... Here's my balance. Like I said, guys, I am all about being open and honest. I don't know if you can see. I'm at 52,298.02. Yeah. All about the transparency here. This is a very open, honest channel. Yeah. We're bouncing off a 4-hour bullish value gap to the tick. So you just think this is a bounce, Antonio? You believe this is going to continue bearish then after the bounce? Ooh, I just had a little twitch in my arm. I don't know if this would make you feel better, but if I saw this, well, I was also going to be left behind by a tick. You know what? It actually does make me feel better. Thanks, OTT. It really does make me feel better. Last time I trusted Doggo, I was up 50 points, but then market retraced and hit me out of break even. Okay, so do the opposite of what my dog does then. Do what Solly did to me, just fade in. Antonio, bullish. Oh, so you think this is like a solid rejection off of it, and so it was just retracing this 50% and then we're continuation back up. If we can't crack the highs by lunch, it's gonna visit the abyss. What double on short? You guys are so funny if we bounce down off. There we go. Yeah. Rara Fatimur. Sorry, the Afrikaans came out. Yes, some similarities. The huge dip on Thursday is the same range we've done today. Bullish. Not a good day to trade. Well, that's interesting. Okay, so it's either... Okay, so Antonio, you think this is either going to be bullish or it's going to range. To me, I've challenged myself with using a demo with $11. I have progressed slowly. Tom Lee, how long have you been trading for? And what's your strategy? Yeah, tell me a little bit about yourself. I don't know why I shimmied there. Sorry, that was weird. Proudly South African. Ayo! Me lie never. Wait. OTT, were you lying? 2018, damn man, okay. So you've been trading for a while, that's awesome. And I'm assuming profitable, right? You're having success in the markets. My MC5 terminal updated today and like the text looks smaller. Not liking this. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Tom Lee crying. Wait, Tom Lee, why are you crying? What's wrong? What did I say? What did I say? I feel like I said something wrong. I'm so sorry if I offended anyone. I'm so sorry. I feel really bad now. Only I'm allowed to be emotional and want to cry. Okay, if I make anyone emotional and make them want to cry, then I feel really bad. Please don't be upset because of something I've said. I'm so sorry. Just kidding. I shouldn't be emotional either. We are emotionless here. We have no feelings. I wish. I would never lie. It was like playing Dark Souls. I hear you. I hear you. It's rough. It is rough. So, Tom Lee, just to give you an idea, I haven't even been trading for a year yet. April will be a year. It's been a journey. Is that a freaking triple top on ES? That's nearly a triple top on ES. Nah. OTT will never lie to me. You're the sweetest girl I ever known. And my mama, of course. Antonio, that's so cute. Oh. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. Sorry, that I don't know why that made me think of that song. But anyways, that legit made me think about that. Only true trader, not only lie trader. Okay. Okay, guys. I think I need to go. Wait. I took a break from trading in 2009 to 2022. Okay, amazing. And after that, Tomley, sorry, I'm now invested in the story Tomley's gonna tell me now. No pressure, Tomley, but I'm all focused on you right now. A little bit of a retracement back here. Let's see how this goes. Like I said, this kind of looks like a triple top on ES. Let's see if we can break a bubble. If it is indeed going to range, right, Antonio? Oh, cheers, Mac. She even believes you now. I will always believe ODT. He's amazing. He will never lie to me. Right? Okay. Sorry, I'm pulling some faces at TradingView. I see why Demonte says TradingView isn't the best. Like, it's not bad. It feels a little bit slow sometimes. Whereas Project X was pretty, like, on the ball. Like, as I was in, it would give you a notification. Like I said, it was like on the ball. I'm innocent. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna call it there today, guys. You guys were amazing as usual. Sorry for being a little bit emotional. I will work on it. I'll be better tomorrow. I'm just gonna blame it on the heat, and that is Monday. Okay. That's terrible. I'll go sort my mind out for tomorrow. Okay. No more emotions. Be mechanical. Yes. Okay. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that like button. If you guys want any discounts, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya. There's some awesome discounts happening on Violinox and Top 1 Future currently. Yeah, give it a check out. I love you guys madly. I will then see you tomorrow. London and New York Open. I am here twice a day. Let's do this. Love you guys. Bye.